Hi, I'm Daikin Emura. I'm here for a reason. They created me to improve your life at home, to change the indoor climate, to keep you cool in summer and warm in winter. I'm engineered to perform in every season, designed to stand out in your interior with a curved silhouette and soft shadow lines. Remarkable yet discreet. I'm whisper quiet. Still, you'll feel the difference I'm making, shaping your comfort, providing you with clean air. They made me intelligent, so I'll know when you're around. I will adapt to your presence. I'm in control unless you instruct me otherwise. With a designer remote in your hand or the intuitive app in your pocket. I'm at your service. I'm Daikin Emura.